I'm Ty with Total Finishing. I'm going to show you today the Walcom 2.0 light. This is a light that we won the Challengers Award for yesterday, one of our 2 awards. The Walcom 2.0 light is made out of carbon fiber. It fits any spray gun. We're showing it on the TFS Viper gun today. It has a removable lens that are replaceable. They are $2 a piece. They pop off. They sell them in a 20 pack. This is an LED color corrected light that goes 360 around the air cap. There are multiple orange silicone rings of different diameters so that we can fit most any spray gun on the market. USB-C rechargeable, has about a 3-hour battery life. There's a magnet that allows you to stick it to your booth and hold the gun or use it as a spotlight. Got to tighten that. But what does it do? It's a really bright light that I can get in, and I can now see in a workpiece that would be shadowed otherwise where my wet edge is. But that's not all that it does. There is also a proximity sensor. So I can set this for the proper gun distance and use it to train a new painter what the distance should be. You can see it'll go yellow, red if I'm too far away or too close. And that's a programmable distance. So that's one of the items that we won the 2024 IWF Challengers Award for. We're really proud to present that to the industry.